East is rising and attracting guests from afar. On November the 5th, 2018, 3,000 companies and 400,000 traders met in Shanghai to discuss cooperation. They represented 172 countries, regions, and international organizations. The event was highly significant. As the world's first import-themed national-level exhibition, the CIIE represented a major effort by China to open up its market to the world. It was a clear demonstration of support for free trade and economic globalization. China's creativity and demeanor are those of a great power.
中国推动更高水平开放的脚步不会停滞。中国推动建设开放型世界经济的脚步不会停滞。中国推动构建人类命运共同体的脚步不会停止。